I think the first thing I would say about Colors on Parade is that you can trust them.
You can go to an individual's house, fix their bumper or fix their door, and they're blown away by it. And I had no idea this was even available. This was even an option for me.
If I can make a lady smile, taking care of her car, that's worthwhile. If a gentleman shakes my hand and he's happy with it, I know I'm going to get the referrals and continue to get the work done.
If you have a scratch or you need your bumper painted, I'll come to your house, set up my van, and paint your bumper right there in your driveway for a lot less price than a body shop.
So their standards are very high, so I know they're going to give me an estimate. It's going to be within that estimate. They're going to do it quickly, and I don't have to worry that it's going to look perfect when they're done.
We want to do really nice quality work, use top-of-the-line paint, so we stand by our work.
Well, their character is, again, very dependable, reliable. We can count on them to do the job and to do it well, so we wouldn't ask anyone else to do it. We know that they can do it.
Dent repair is actually kind of an art, right? I mean, it really takes expertise to do it right and make it look perfect. And the same thing with the scratches. It's just a little scratch, but you don't understand how many layers of paint and how it's going through what, the protection coat and what's a little scratch versus what's, and I just think it's nice they'll take time with me so that I can understand what they're actually doing.
I hear it all the time, I can't believe you can do that. To see people's faces light up when you can take something that's just damaged and they think they're gonna spend, $1,000, $2,000 to fix it, and you can fix it up for half that.
It's so much fun to do the repairs and have satisfaction every day, completion. It's just a lot of fun.
Because of the excellence of the service and the repair, I have never had in 30 years a customer that has been dissatisfied with the quality that Colors on Parade delivers. Matter of fact, Colors on Parade are the only people that I recommend for my customers.
Sometimes there are people waiting for you when you come out of a grocery store in the evening because they want an estimate. They know who we are. We've got a great reputation in town, and we've worked hard to preserve that, to build it and preserve it.